Okay, well thanks everybody. We'll just get these slides in order here. My name's Callan Shabella. I'm on stage here with Richard Demar. He's going to help us with the demo in a few seconds. Inference Solutions is an intelligent virtual agent platform. If you're wondering what intelligent virtual agents are, we basically automate interactions between businesses and their customers, or between businesses and their employees. The slides have got a mind of their own, so they're just racing away. We recently announced as having global market share leadership, over 300 enterprise deployments around the globe. We essentially help you deploy self-service applications. So we are not an engine company. Rather, we operate an abstraction layer, a drag and drop environment where you can basically consume the best cloud technologies that are out there, including some premise-based technologies as well within our licensing environment, and do so in a drag and drop environment. We like to think of intelligent virtual agents as being very much like working with an outsourced call center. Sorry, this is just going crazy. I'll just ignore the slides. Like an outsourced call center, except that there are no people. So you basically lease an intelligent virtual agent just like you would somebody in a call center agent, and we do that now on behalf of hundreds and hundreds of enterprises across the globe. There's lots of their logos there on the screen. Pretty much any industry you can think of, whether it be Fortune 500, government, all the way down to small and medium enterprise, can be handled with intelligent virtual agents today. Tomorrow we have a special case study on this stage with Pizza Hut, which are using intelligent virtual agents throughout their organization. Is that the wrong clicker?
So green button. If you want to take back.
Thank you.
All right.
All right. Thank you. Gartner's tipping the intelligent virtual agent marketplace, the economic value delivered by virtual agents, to top $1.3 trillion by 2030. There's not that many trillion-dollar markets, and obviously 2030 is a while away. But even 2 years ago, agents represented 43% of the total AI market value. So it really is the largest segment for artificial intelligence. All right, what we're going to do now is actually just quickly show you Studio in action. So you can kind of think of Studio as the glue that holds everything together. On the left, you have all of your channels, so your voice channels, your messaging channels, or your telephony transit coming in to Studio. We combine that with our licensing cloud, our API interconnects, so whether you want to consume some IBM Watson, whether you want to consume some Google transcriptions, some Google WaveNet, some NLP, whatever it might be, along with a whole range of fulfillment tools, because the average user of the Inference Studio platform would not really describe themselves as technical. Rather, they have a good understanding of their contact center environment or their business environment, and they really need these fulfillment tools to allow them to achieve whatever real-world outcome is that they need. So today we're announcing support for business WhatsApp. So WhatsApp has been releasing their APIs gradually over the last few months. And you can now bring your WhatsApp number to the Inference Studio platform. And what we're going to do is switch out over here to the demo screen that Richard will be driving. And we will show the actual building of a WhatsApp bot in real time. So this is the Studio interface. We can create tasks on the voice channel, messaging channel, or the workflow channel. WhatsApp API support today is really on the messaging side of things. So we go into our messaging tasks. These are tasks that we've allocated to our virtual agent pool for them to perform. And we've created a very simple demonstration here for VentureBeat. You can click on that. And you can see here that we've actually got a drag and drop editor. If we look on the left-hand side, we can see all the various nodes and building blocks that you can use to basically pull together. So this actual demonstration here we built this morning, it's combining some simple keyword spotting, but as well as an NLP fallback. So it's actually going out to Google Dialogflow and allowing to have a real-time interaction with the system. So this interaction has been designed graphically here on the screen. If we switch out to that WhatsApp tab, Richard, we can start interacting with it. So if we say something like, hi, you'll see the bot respond. And we might ask a question like, can you tell me a little bit about Inference Solutions? So there we go. Hi, this is the Inference Solutions WhatsApp bot for VentureBeat. How can I help? Tell me about Inference Solutions. And we'll see that. And we can start integrating content from our website. So if you say, tell me about Studio, or something like this, we can send brochureware and all the usual stuff you'd expect to see in a chatbot environment. But we could also do this in the voice channel, we can do this in a workflow channel, and we can switch between them pretty much seamlessly. So if I now go back to the studio interface, and I'd like to build, say, a new task in the voice channel, I can go up to Tasks, create a new voice task, and this time we'll actually use the task library, and you can think of the task library as kind of like an app store. These are tasks that other users have published, and we can just use these tasks as a starting point for our intelligent virtual agent experience. So if I search for something like natural language call steering, there it is there. So this is something that someone else has published. Click on that, click on Next, and fill in our name. You'll see that just in a few seconds we can publish this to whatever telecom platform of choice that we like. There's over 35 to 40 resellers of this platform around the globe, so pretty much every region in the world is covered. And there it is. There's a full NLP-powered voice task for voice agents. If you'd like to see this, we're out of time. If you'd like to see this demonstrated live in our booth, please come and see us on the show floor, or see our case study tomorrow with Pizza Hut and Hulu on stage. Thank you.